Vanakkam friends, welcome once again to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the analysis of forecast of Nifty for the next week. Event ended week, the Karnataka election results are out and Congress are winning that election with a clear mandate. As of present situation, Election Commission of India's website says 134 won by Karnataka, Congress, and 64 won by BJP. Both are winning by, leading in 2 seats and 1 seat respectively. So at any case, it's a clear mandate. 113 is the required number to form the government, and Congress is already 21 seats above the majority level. So it's going to be it's not going to be a hung session. It's a clear mandate session. 1 second. Yeah. It's a clear majority government which is going to get formed in Karnataka. So will it impact markets on Monday? I would say there will be a knee-jerk reaction on Monday at opening. Why? Because everybody were expecting a hung assembly kind of session wherein both party will not get any majority. JDS will play a vital role, and that could go either way on any direction. So that was the expectation. Even the post-poll predictions have said the same, barring 1 or 2 channels saying that there will be a clear majority for Congress. So considering this situation, I have put on my Nifty analysis on daily charts as usual with my setup 20, 50, 100 and 200 moving averages. I have drawn one trend line this time, rising trend line. I think I have drawn this trend line last week itself, where I have explained that Nifty could take support at this trend line and take and then bounce on the higher side. That is what has exactly happened. It went near the trend line but not tested, and then climbed higher for the last 4 days of the week. And on Friday, it came and touched the rising trend line and then climbed up. So barring that, if you see stochastic or MACD or RSI, everything is showing an uptick. But this election result may give an impact on Monday. Which means if I say last week low could be tested, that would be a fine. So last week low is like 18,100, which is 200 points away from current levels. 18,314 is the closing price of Nifty on Friday. So last week low is 18,100.30. So probably Nifty could make an attempt because of this knee-jerk reaction, and it could test that level. If at all it is breaking also, it can go and test the 18,000 psychological mark, which is very closer to the 20 moving average, and then definitely it will climb up on the higher side, because this election result was expected by some people, some election strategists who were capable of predicting the results. They have predicted this earlier. Only thing is, it has been confused by few of the TV channels and social medias, where there could be a hung session. So since this was already predicted, there could be a knee-jerk reaction on Monday, say about 150 to 200 points gap down opening, or maybe open at 100 points lower and then dropping towards 18,000 mark and then climbing on the highest. That's what I expect. Worst case scenario I am saying. This is not a parliament election, and we would see a Nifty going by 400 points up or down. That's not going to happen this time. Okay, this is a state election which is almost already known factor. The only thing which was surprises, it's a clear mandate by Congress. That's it, nothing else. So if you ask me what are the resistance levels, so supports I have said you last week low 18,100 and then 18,000, which is the psychological mark. What will be the resistance if you ask means this is the first resistance, 18,483. That's going to be the resistance. Will we see that kind of 400 point move in 1 week time? Why not? It is hardly 2.5%. So if the index it's at 18,000 means from 18,000 also 2.5% means it will be 490 points. That's it. So it could happen. First resistance is 18,483, crossing which we may test 18,700 odd levels, but that will not happen immediately in next week. We can expect a move till first resistance, that is 18,483, maybe even up to 18,500 odd levels. That's the maximum which we can expect. So we can try to play the ranges. Say for example Monday Nifty gaps down by 100 points or 150 points, and then it goes and takes support near 18,150, 100 odd zones. We can play on the long side, and when it reaches 18,450 mark, we can do short selling. Both sides we can play during next week based on the movements. I expect the Nifty to be within a range between 17,959, that is the 20 moving average, 969, yeah, 17,969 till 18,483, maximum 550 points. This is what the range which I am expecting. So we can trade in between this range. If you ask me to suggest a call option or put option based on this scenario, I would give you one call option, but that is on a condition. Have 18,200 call option in your watch list. If at all you see Nifty opening by 200 points down, somewhere around 18,100 to 120, if it goes to 18,000, that is well and good, but the reaction of elections results will be only for first 15 minutes, not beyond that. Thereafter market becomes normal. Okay, so if we are seeing 18,100 to 120 odd zones on Monday morning before 9:30, just pick this call, 18,200 call, as hero or zero for the week. If my guess is correct, I will not get surprised. Intraday itself, we can go and touch 18,200, which means there could be a gap down of if there is a gap down of 200 220 points on Monday, there will be an intraday recovery of 100 points to 120 points where you can exit your position. You will easily get 1x. 1x means 100% returns. So that's the only call which I can give you right now. Also have FinNifty 19,500 call in your watch list. I will try to give something on this one during the market as if possible. I expect that this could be little bit volatile than Nifty. So if it goes as per my expectation, I can give a hero or zero call. If not, we will ignore that, but this one we can trade. let me repeat it one time. If you see Nifty coming to 18,000 to 18,100 to 18,120 on Monday morning before 9:30, you can pick a 18,200 call. Intraday itself, you will see 18,200 on screen. At that time, you can book and exit. That's the only suggestion that I can give you right now. That's it for the analysis for upcoming week. I have a request for you people. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and stay connected with our channel. And if you feel that our video is helpful for you and it may help your friends too who are interested in markets, please do share the link to them and ask them to subscribe as well. And after going through this video, if you have any comments, likes or dislikes, whatever it may be, or even feedbacks, please do post in the comment section. If it is a feedback for me, I will try to improve myself. If it is a comment, good or bad, let it be. Whatever it is worth for. Have a good day, friends. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.